IGC News, Mema Ovia Aquaba, had the latest and hot news in one, and the Bremo and Uti, Sewina subscriber, or body I say over subscribe. Now, I like to see video, Boakye Agyarko say over click a subscribe button. Now, I barely notification. When sa video here we upload, also was a can be. I feel we are one like the video, give us a thumbs up, now feel. Share just say was so now a court now among for so ain't maybe now wash it. Now one who the echo so ever Ghana. I feel young hair and summer abetable your console. Into a year and somewhere about to bed. Indeed.
Me NPP, yeah, I'm going deep and deeper for you. My kind of credit. Obedi a won't me biano in Ashanti region. The NPP, they are not united. Ashanti region, I'm telling you. The NPP, they are not united. Nipa wako ketisa problem with their banyinano. Better than Chibosia. I'm telling you, today, the governor Nankasa. I don't permit me. Okay. Mami, right? I'm going to tell you reasons, and I'm out for being Konoma Biso. Okay. Offer in 2014, and I went to me more who say wanted to become the regional organizer for the New Patriotic Party. Or no, say Prempene Copri. Regional chairman. Regional chairman. Okay. You're from Boston. You're trouble. Would me have 505 votes. And over a fellow Prempene 207 votes. Wontumi was 36 years at that time. Okay. The reason why they voted for Wontumi is that we wanted a new change. A new environment. Yeah. Me here will be obeyed many NDC for it. Me CNE. Obeyed me a bomber NPP to capture power. Yeah. My son is one. Any time I ever talk about Ashanti region, Biano. Any for it, MPP for no. Any Mamun say, and I've been better to have been to have been beneath. Which is you cry me key statement. What make it? Yeah, and I mean, thank you. I said, you better have been to have. Yeah, yes, at that material moment, we wanted a new face. One person, but Marcus, he will be the pinnacle, who will be the leader. Obey me, Abwama MPP at my rest of power. Because anytime a better Biano, if MPP is able to get over 75% in Ashanti region, or 74% automatically, Offer, you're trouble. Now I'm going to mention some certain names to you. Okay. Wontumi be a chairman. First vice be Dr. Raruf. Okay. Second vice be say what Dechi. Now when it comes to general secretary, be Sampine. Deputy general secretary be Manaf. Okay, Manaf as one say Ibrahim Manaf. Yes. Kennedy can come. Eba be regional organizer. Okay. Lawyer Justin Kobia ebe youth organizer. Okay. Be Fido be national coordinator. Wontumi had a diabolic intention when we be. Wontumi is an autocratic leader. Yes, he wants to suppress people. He wants to be an autocratic leader. Yeah. At Adolf Hitler ni Idi Amin or Kasa de we no person we ya. Yes. Enter the boss ni Akufo Addo. Hey. You two about MPP winning power. Offer Wontumi was very smart. Wontumi saw said there are some people in the New Patriotic Party in Ashanti region who have a larger constituency in the region. And it's when I say he's going after them, the masses will go after him. Okay. Tinibie, Wontumi no say you want Kojo MPP party, Ashanti region, masses nepo massive. They are the movers and the shakers of Ashanti region. Wontumi was very, very strategic. One, Dr. Rauf. Wontumi call me the call pharmacy council. Okay, and we got the position to her. Thank you. Manaf, deputy secretary, or me the call office of the vice president as the policy analyst. Lawyer Justin Kodia, or complete where ye man. Say what dechi, or man complete NC where Joso. That's what make a country on. And that lady can come or down than so bit to the MP. And to unconscious could the MP. That's what make a country on. So if you look at people from your movers and shakers in the region, I want to mean control more or take any decision here diabolic, they will attack him now. Very smart and strategic. So when you say Uncle Foni defeat, automatically it becomes an appointment. One number appointed. And you conform more panel. No, don't be bad. He brought them on board. Now, if you look at some person who nipa here, money is come money to me and who nipa here. But you, Yenibia will show that the phone biano and find so brand once. If you want to see the true being and the true nature of someone, money is come money to me. That is where the real being of the person comes out. Okay. NPP winning in 2016. Going for 2020 elections. Next NPP internal elections. The conduct of Wontumi For that 3 years, already regional chairman in power.
Yeah.
A lot of MPP faithfuls have issues with him. Nipa Bakona Anka MPP for the person called Bano to be the regional chairman. Yeah. After saying Yoko, BNI, or more investigations nearby, they went to the Jubilee House, reported to Akufo Addo say, Nipa Bakwa backgrounds, land near very fertile for him.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I was paid to step down.
I was paid to step down. Okay.
I said, "Was say, oh, hold on, friend, no. MPP point for friend catch any say, but they didn't do it. A so time I went to Miko. Now, Akufo Addo more person much as so many wound to the bit my yet, man. And he can be a walk Bobiano, Canadian. Over some few days to the elections, and I said, catch us on Koprabani.
Oh, okay. We had 3 news. Yes. Ashanti Region NPP chairmanship. I was paid to step down for Wontumi Asari Bediako.
What's wrong with the Jubilee House? Cow boy in the man. NPP paying for because some money is coming for Canada and US.
I was called by the party leaders to step down for Wontumi at the time. They promised to pay all I have spent, so I accepted. I left for the USA to move on with my life after elections. Later, I was invited by the party hierarchy, and they paid an amount as compensation. So yes, if you ask me, I was paid. In fact, all the debt incurred was paid in full. If for nothing at all, I campaigned on the ticket of the party, and that alone is a plus for them.
But don't just stop. That's one kasakai. And to be
yeah.
But the establishment wasn't in support of him. Do you know why? Asaribediako is a true Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. And I mean, Asaribediako, open Kwaku Annan Trinity, and it cut him same. Alan can go naked in front of him.
Asaribediako,
yes. But Akufo knew it and say, this man, obey the regional chairman. The kind of things I want to do in the region, maybe he can fight against me. Sadia, they swallow Wontumi. Ye koto ban wedra. Ye 2 years no. Ofa, Kwabena century. Ewene. Wa kra so bi Nelson Owusu ansa.
Ewene.
Ewene. Sampan. Ewene. François Ewene. Ye to ban wie no. Enkofo Wontumi was supporting them, all of them lost.
Yeah, Kwaku Kabore mo.
Thank you. Wakai. All of them lost.
I was there.
All of them lost.
BB, no for maybe BB. Oba National Women's Organizers. And Kobe Beatrice one when he yeah, we know.
You know. One person, they labeled the person to be a true Alan, was voted to be part of that kind of committee. Have you found the executives? Francis Adomako Francois. The regional organizer, they labeled him to be a true Alan. So they made sure some training. So I make an Muntin. And you penny papa ne Wontumi problems pa. It was already in Francois. And there be a night it is to deal him as a regional organizer. I said man in chain, a man in chain. And to be here, ye flow already Andy Owusu. Only the special assistant Edema Wontumi. Sammy Panana Wontumi using it for always. Then is quite common no use. Reason being that over say Wontumi to that ball of fire. Nelson also answer. I already abandoned. I also too disciplinary. I can attack Wontumi. Obey Marcus Adia Wontumi and Wontumi corporate deputy why ye boss of the man.
No position in better or vacant.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Into really no. And call for bit more control your bootlickers. No conform with your mobile. And the Francois will have issues. But I mean, I'm say Ebia Francois is problematic. In the Francois and quite the internet be no executives will to me fine. Now Kwadi.
Send the Pantan Biasa.
I quite no. And I come now saying to me to me a problem. Okay.
Yeah.
And when I go for buy, take this from me. Me say NPP will meet them. Georgia Hotel. When I'm free to me no more free come say. Akufo Addo statement is say Wontumi do me but yen can say no. Say Wontumi dey or me doba and I come say say ni me pa achew. Asem kra yen kan na say Wontumi your doba dey ni Wontumi muntia Wontumi ti me pa achew dem dey Wontumi bia no fanchemi. That was where Wontumi saw say he's becoming too powerful. Ti kwadwo ye to sa ba ni wie yen. Ade bi wo Wontumi ye in the region and it affected the new patriotic party. In 2016, NPP has 76.77. In 2020, we have 71. Do you know why? The actions and inactions of Wontumi, without giving respect to the party structures, it affected the party. One, Oko PM Ewo Asante Achimagogwa. Now, and the appear could be no problem. Assembly could PM court. Director for elections for the new patriotic party granted an interview. I say, court of competent jurisdiction. And the Jansia to Saban with Momon Congo. Yeah, Wontumi so only veto power the regional chairman Monkotua. Oko PM Ewo Mensah Sauta. And when they were injunction over there, all the biscuit box, because you see what there was no supervision from the Electoral Commission. Oba Kaya Wontumi catch a Senkofobu or more on the post. Yeah. Okay. And now Wontumi creative problem was once basically there. Akufo Addo na be your body generation ye bi na still more suffer from it. Another move can say the actions of Wontumi is affected as once because omo di over and di alidu they are not in bed with Abdul Manaf. Correct? Abdul Manaf. No problem. And to Momudi Ali do through and through Ali do follow. They are doing campaign against the guy. Manaf. Almost one chama, one man, young queen, conquer, do also young chama, and the NPP lost a lot of seats. Ashanti region, Ghana politics of Yakasawa, Janisa. Wontumi say 2020 elections. Out of the 47 constituencies, 47 in Thank you. Thank you. He was not talking under duress. Willingly. And what can't ask him? But you can't ask him. You got to abandon. NPP lost a lot of seats in Ashanti region. And if you look at Francois, they had issues with it. Now what they offer 10 duly elected executives. 6 of them are having problems with the regional chairman. 6. 1, the first vice, the second vice, the treasurer, the assistant secretary, the organizer, the youth organizer. I don't know Wontumi is insulting the integrity and conscience of the delegates. Okay. I don't know make us say nada. Say hey, Ambassador TV, I can't say Baba PCU. Now say Kokoto, let's say Yizitwa. Meaning that this is what the delegates want. Yeah. So give them a certain kind of respect. That is a level of expertise of the person. He said, "Panajuma so yen so man who come and yes ejuma." Obenje said, "Rafa Safo Patrick, or the youth organizer. Yet no organizing youth program no dim ho.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
The original organizer. Now what the program so for 2 years, say I did better program. Me Africa catch or search about the program to Brazil.
Also organize this, no.
Yes. I and then none of I say I musi. Omanya champo.
Yeah, omanya champo.
Some by omanyeska.
Yeah.
Treasure not be disbursement. Actually be a say ska kono. Ye mfa go money to one maybe. That's what I catch on. The first vice and the second vice are Wontumi prefer living with good liquors. And Kwafo bet no my here bet me control. Kwado enade woni misa Francois anka ba bia nke so fe de ne se no I am planning an events because he's organizer all they planning the bia region bia no bia na kwakwase volunteer group ni nipa oye boss o mama China
Wontumi nipa mama China
if you come to sa planning and committee ayina nipa oye boss na afia only duly elected na afia no I say special secretary bi di ma Wontumi na frefremu enkofo dey embed Wontumi and Wontumi is using them. And if you look at problems across Ashanti region, and the problems kitwa me can say come on about this program or take off a time on some other logic campaign and working come 2,000 by hotel. And when I'm American council here 80% for more. Before that day, what can I say NPP executives for we? They issue official communique saying said they have issues, they have to address the issues before say so mobile. Okay. Kwajo. Omu meeting no. Me say omu abe call the nsem na bro say friend ko kan okre. Ti kan okre fa kire. The truth is a bitter pill. One. Okre MP. The verse no ho. Opare ansa no ho. Free mo opare no ho. Big men in the MPP. You know 6 people who are duly elected. They are having a problem with the regional chairman. Let's solve the problem. Wontumi catch him say he doesn't want to discuss anything with them. He is the governor of Ashanti region. And either they choose him or they choose the executives. Wontumi can go to a NEC meeting. What they say, but table so say decision about take he doesn't agree with it. National Executive Committee meeting. One I created our problem with now. And you know down Akufo na created this kind of problems. What kind of penny pampe? And could not be surprised. There is a serious apathy, friction, and faction in the NPP in the Ashanti region. I'm telling you, they should never ever joke with it. If they are not able to salvage this kind of problems, because we have not work on. Obi te say François, na Wontumi nka be bi nkyere o say Kwado. Say e kwa akoto aba no nipa ba ko so on post. Obi ase on contest no. François. But because of so ye kan. O ma di omo no. Me say many MPP executive, regional executive BT care wofa. Sa no ma be say internal elections. Nya me do be ye bi ai. Na man sa wa connect the phone e dey man Bluetooth wo kan. And a cocky or picky ya minute. Eh. And I be only pay a campaign for my Bawumia massa. And I did said then na busia fu kura Jubilee House for bua food and the where campaign money panel and na would dinner me see me Kenya me hata so na pension for. Me see you see. Nipa no packing the cash or put this enemy shooting. Was into baby ma come so I cannot take decision for my own self. This is where the party has gotten to. Okay. Araba respect is reciprocal. Okay. If you respect me, I respect you. Yes. And if you respect my office, yeah, I also respect you. Sanity. Who you host? Maybe when it comes to analysis, yeah, and you feel. So you try to employ people, you give them respect. Sanity. Wontumi kwantumi nya adwuma ntino. And you akwakoto abayi amam for their can. They are not appointed. Yeah. They are duly elected. Okay. They went to elections. Some for wontumi do omo adwuma. Elections for the time come contest. Okay. Kwado, womo wontumi do omo adwuma. And the Owusu money sana na afia mo sango for no mo ye adwuma. If elections F4 Omanko contest. I say command 47 constituencies yan kwan contest. And obi contesting we win. And ya gini 2 million. And I'm say say na oil. It is an insult to the delegates. And now Professor check delegates so munim yansa. Okay. Because yes, the woman na ba no. Thank you. Me say me pe. Makwa koyi nipa hunu bi na dia brem. That is understanding. One, Wontumi to make sure say any egos no. Eso brenase. The arrogance eso the number form. Manu said, no, it's a teamwork. Offer her, no matter the friction. And our one objectivity is say, you person Ghana for being say, I'm no friction and I'm no problem. You better not say so. It's not income. Yeah. The NPP, I don't want say they want to break the 8. They come the enemy. Nipa Oyaria, and drop your Biabem, Umet and do cross and the NPP said they want to break the 8. If they want to break the 8, bring everybody on board. One kasa usi bisukabe ko usi bisu say as a regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party in Ashanti region. What ma breaking the 8? So dey ntiti mu yi. Nyame okon first dey bibia o. Nyame na pese omo an kasa party omo dey ko opposition. Do you know why? No mo ko boa omo. Do you know why? Omo ko sesi e. Omo ko omo. These are true and true Bawumia loyalists. Open nipa ba ko an. Owo e fen Bawumia gini di pa e Ralph Safo Patrick. Anawni. Ralph Jesus Christ. Bawumia can go naked in front of Ralph. Bawumia, no special aid we need friend Kwabena Agyapong. Yeah. When you electrocuted, I light a kid. Sir. Sally Panada down for panel Ralph Safo Patrick. When Bawumia was even in opposition, and Bawumia no figure. But now Ralph ne Bawumia na nam. And what Bawumia say he has shown a certain kind of loyalty and support for him. And to Penasem. Wontumi see a letter they said. Wontumi was an Allan, but Wontumi is a Judas Iscariot. Wontumi was a Judas Iscariot. They come to a Judas Iscariot. They say the Allan no, he betrayed Allan. Yeah. Now no Allan somebody was so many Allan pictures in every free party office. This man, but a true Allan had Akufo Addo. Tell me more. But Sir Wontumi said later they said, but he wants to be more Catholic than the Pope. Or so a chair must say on Waba. Bana Waba is be a series so. And you call for NPP for no more Bawumia for on one air come no for bisa one. Why is it said the NPP are doing campaign, but you don't see the campaign chairman? I don't have a cost. Chairman service. Dabi, no, Damoki. Yeah. When somewhere campaign money with the go and do your checks and ask the reason why Damoki campaign mu ye nyina yi. Unse bribi kura wo de ba say wa resign and afei se nya no kura. Ofauti. Me so me dambi. Then let's see. Damoki ye ne ye. Yes, nyane say. Damoki so to Bawumia fo awomfa. Otu Bawumia fo sesi a obeti o. People around Bawumia. Eba wa ba ka asem foforo dia change Bawumia o ka asem Bawumia amfa. And to also April was the deal here. And for him to protect his name, when was the last time you see okay MP on a political podium with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or with Napo trying to do some campaign? And you see, MP before campaign, it is too dangerous to a point to say, Mahmoud Bawumia cannot create. And then you put out a running mate, you Kasa. And I can't you see, Napo Kasaba could be a nip 20,000 miles of the top of my MP. And I Dr. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. JJ, Dabena JJ by doctor. Dr. Akufo, Dabena Akufo by doctor. Jesus Christ. Akunya won't na soda. This has been a former president. Owu Akunya so. Onega say I and I do we can fence obey adwuma ketewa bi. In terms of all indicators, as I grow on upon this one. Sudan on Sudan. Say na me catch will say. Me catch will say. Napono. Moye ne den do chanti. Now make us say we so na Franco you are trying to be hard on Napo. Adiana kwa no twa sign the man you be problem. Now make us mo peso jani ba kunyina. En peso jani ba ko mo program tu no. E wona chi say is crawl we free mu 3 times ah. E say tu no to bonya say we good party. That's what is more say. And the kind of things he say a recipe for disaster. He's damaging the party. And we are as someone can go and do your checks. Napo, then as someone make a montias. Offer. Are you not surprised? Said Napo for Ashanti region. But on your campaign was Ashanti region. Who may be a Napo? Western, any central. And no Baba Ashanti, you will cast and catch more Kakako and Antidiako. Why don't as someone make a go and do your checks? MPP for name himself Bawumia Beluswaban. Tinibim. And Napo is too desperate to become the vice president. And yes, I had young fan courage and hoarding. Now you overspending because you want to become the vice president. Nanibabano Hosono, now ban MPP losing any situation. As I make a go and do your checks. When you say Allah Kojo Kyeremanteng free MPP, the way they are suffering to write their manifesto, won't it? Alan, everybody Alan free MPP manifesto or more channel. Bro, mo bro manifesto mono. I'm telling you. Onzo got sent away. What's you way? Kwadu. Me say, MPP so me dem bi o. Ne manifesto ne so mo call launching or tamale sahini. Me bi so asem. Bisa. Of what asamaja asama waka. There you. Omo call of you work. Asamaja say, one Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kokodi nkom. Ti asem yi. No ne Bawumia di nkom no. E na obisa Bawumia say, "Dey na Bawumia wo ma YouTube." So when any family my YouTube. Right. The person who made the recommendation says something as a Mojan Eba MPP. The person has done a great disservice to the party. Oh yes. And I'm going to explain to you. Fafon says as a Mojan appointed as the head of the NPP Manifesto Committee on Youth and Sports. As a Mojan. Okay, as a Mojan appointed. Okay, appointed as the head. Okay, appointed as the head. Yes. Okay. As the head of the MPP. Of the NPP manifesto. On youth and sports. Okay. Yaba. Let me have it. As a Mojan named Youth and Sports lead on NPP's manifesto subcommittee. Thank you, Chaso. Overtie. As a Mojan, your body being said, on never by head of the manifesto committee on 21st February 2024 for youth and sports. Of us, make a team. See, a cast of manifesto. It is the kind of pledges and promise. And I'm can boom, Namodiaba. We have every sector. We have committee in paying for. Yeah. The reason why first our committee in paying for is say we want you to identify the challenges and the problems and the needs and give us the solutions. That's what I make a show. As a Mojan was appointed in February, March, April, May, June, July, August. When we are working in August, 6 months into office. As a Mojan, so the Bawumia didn't come on. ana obisa Bawumia say e dey na Bawumia wo ma youth
nesa se moja na akasa no onu nu akasa no onim
na de ba ntimi say ebim committee say moja nda ebim committee do mo kan say moja ntiase I don't get it.
Party politics in Ankasa. So you
he's a technocrat. He's a technical person, Bobo. When it transfer me catch on you. Ankasa se moja bom. And the catch about Bawumia say.
The natural group, natural group,
committee no. Committee no, ye tenase no. Committee no, Minister for Youth and Sports will move.
Okay.
And one lot of people may be for 10. Ye quite say here meeting. We have able to identify the needs and they know their problem. Or what problem they say they feel and think say youth and sports no. Sports don't they don't care about the youth. Just only the youth and sports.
Okay.
And we've been able to identify the needs, the challenges, the problems of the youth and the sports. And to go to that problem is Wakasano. President, Okwa, can we? You can buy into the idea. You can convince and confuse them. Oh, convince someone to Abamaye. Oh, confuse someone to Abamu. Ye bad, you so it tells you as a modern is incompetent. It tells you as a modern is naive. It tells you as a modern is ignorant. Position a diamond offer. On Tiasia and wait, I connection man you. But if you look at as a modern Kenya, or no come on your committee chairman or president, yeah, but or president will be better. Tinipano Bodino, just because they was a modern dean.
Yo, waiting for waiting and someone about your so. And I was a decision so and our channel. So, we are subscriber or more than say over subscriber. No, I like it. Nothing so was share video no amount for a new action. Also, betting actually what you have and so we now will comment boxing. Waiting in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.